Okay, I need to be in a meeting this morning, so I'm going to do another recording with y'all to help you with your math. I obviously already have it open. It's the one for Thursday, 12/8, using units of mass. She's probably already talked to you about this. The main thing to remember is we're comparing grams and kilograms. I'm not sure what she used as your example today, but the thing I always go to is 1 gram is very similar to the weight, not weight, to the mass of a paper clip, tiny paper clip. So picture, you know, think about that mass versus a kilogram, which is like a big heavy book, which I do not have around, but like, and not like your, like when you think of like your social studies book, it is really thick, but it doesn't have like the hardback covering, which adds a lot of mass. So think of like those big dictionaries is the one I think of. Not the little, again, not the little handheld ones, but like the big dictionary book. That's what I think. So a gram paperclip, kilogram big heavy book, right? So for this one, number one, we're basically asking what would you use to measure these items? Would you use grams or would you use kilograms? So for this first one is a pencil. I'll just read them all. Pencil, baseball player, a baseball, and a car. So two of these you're going to measure in grams. Two of these you're going to measure in kilograms. So obviously, the small items you would do in grams. The two large items you would measure in kilograms. So I'll read them again. Pencil, baseball player, aka a human, a baseball, and a car. She may or may not have done these with you, I'm not sure. Again, I'm doing this on Monday, so I'm not sure what she's going to do. On number two, same thing. What would you use to measure? Again, you have two that you would measure in grams and two you would measure in kilograms. Grams are like paper clips, kilograms are big, heavy books. And our items are strawberry, penguin, sailboat, and dragonfly. Don't forget this is a video and you can pause it. So dragonfly is super, super tiny, super light. We would obviously do that in grams. And a sailboat is very large, so that would be kilograms. Between strawberry and penguin, which one is light, which one is heavier? And you match gram, kilogram. Number three says the mass of a pony is 180 kilograms. The mass of a small horse is 275 kilograms. How much greater is the mass of the horse than the mass of the pony? So, this key phrase right here, how much greater, that means you're comparing. When you're comparing, you're always going to subtract. So, for this one, you will do 275 minus, oops, 180. And you will select your answer right here. I learned how to clear these last time. Oh, I think it was this. Yes. Okay. Again, pause if you need to. Number four says Jose needs $78 for a present. He already has saved $33. So how much more? Again, we have this key phrase. How much more does he need to save? Same thing. How much more? You're finding the difference. Like how much more? I have this much. I need this much. You're finding the difference, and that is also subtraction. So for this one, you will put the larger number on top. That's how much he needs. He already has 33. So you subtract and select your answer. I already forgot again. Oh yeah, here and here. Number 5 says the mass of a certain window is 18 kilograms. What is the mass of 5 of those windows? So with this one, I picture a strip diagram. Sorry, it's kind of crazy. So one window is 18 kilograms, but we would know the mass of 5 of those. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, they're all going to be the same. So 18, 18, 18, 18. What do we have? We have equal groups. We want to put them together. So we have 5 groups of 18. Solve that. Select your answer. Of course, you will set it up vertically like this. Pause, calculate, and select. Two more. Number 6. Bella has 3 different objects whose masses are 500 grams, 125 grams, and 375 grams. Which is the sum of the masses of the objects? So what does sum mean? Is that does that tie to addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Which of the 4 operations has sum? How do you find the sum? Give me thinking time. I hope you remember that you add to find the sum. So you will add these 3 measurements and select your answer. 500 plus 125 plus 375. Line them all up and select your answer. And lastly, number 7. Which item should be measured using kilograms? Kilograms, remember, is like a big heavy book. So which one should you weigh in kilograms? A pumpkin, a gold ring, a shoelace, or a spool of thread? Select your answer and submit, and we'll see you for reading.